In this video, we are going to discuss how to install MySQL database in Windows 10. To install MySQL database in Windows 10, so first of all, we need to download the database server, the MySQL database server from Chrome, and simply you can copy paste the same link from the video description. And when you search it out, you will find out the first link. Click on the first link, and then you will find out this 9.0 innovation. This is the latest version, and you can download the first MSI installer. And if it doesn't download it, you can click on this particular link. No thanks, just start my download. And also you need to also search MySQL Workbench, and if you select MySQL Workbench, you will be on the first link. Simply go on the first link, and from here you have to download the MySQL Workbench. So as you can see, I have both the application being there. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to install MySQL database. So simply double click here, go on next, accept the license, go on next, and now I'm going to install the complete version. So click on complete, and once it is going to be started, so we have to configure everything, like at which location the database file will be installed, and what is the location, what type of password we need to give, everything we need to configure it. Now, so once the application has been started, so it will ask you the location, so you can just select your location, let it be everything as default, go on next. Then you have to choose the MySQL password. Okay, so I'm just giving 1234. You can give anything, whatever you require. Click on next. Then it will ask you about the permissions, so give all the permission. And in the last phase, you have to give, like, do you want to install any database? So I have take both the options here, and go and click on next. So once it has been done, click on execute, and just within like 2 to 3 minutes, this installation will be done. Your MySQL database server will be installed, and click on finish. Now similarly, once it has been done, you can search it with MySQL on Windows, and you will find out MySQL command line client. And now we are going to install MySQL Workbench. Simply click on here, installation, and make sure to click on complete, and just install it by pressing next to all the files, and it will be also done it. Now once the installation phases are done, we need to check it whether it's been completed or not. So I'm going to search MySQL Workbench in my Windows, and once it is been done, so you have to make a connection. So the MySQL server is like one of the software, and Workbench is like one of the ID. So click on plus, give a connection name, whatever you like. I have given regex. Give the username as root, and the password which you have given at the time of installation. So we have given 1234, so I am going to provide the same 1234, and click on OK. Now similarly, so to check the connection, first of all write use Shakila, so which is my dummy database which is already available, and to get all the tables, all the data present in this Shakila database, you have to say select star from Shakila dot the table name, or either you can simply run select star from actor, and to see all the tables you have to say show tables. So using all these three things, you can check whether the installation has been done correctly or not. So on the left hand side, you will find out all the schema, everything, and just make sure one thing here, to install this MySQL you have to get the community edition in Windows 10, and once you are done with this, so you will be able to work with the same. So I hope you have enjoyed this particular video on installing MySQL Workbench and database. So in case if you have any query, feel free to put it in the comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. Thank you.